Students of class 5 of Gyan Niketan Girls School, welcome to the 30th video session of your math class. Today our topic of discussion is simplification based on BODMAS rule, chapter 5. So the word BODMAS, BODMAS, stands for B for brackets, O for off, then D for division, then M for multiplication, then A for addition, and then S for subtraction. In the brackets also there are four types of bracket. The first one is a horizontal line which is called bar bracket or vinculum. The second one is called round bracket. The third one is called curly bracket, and the fourth one is called big bracket. So we should do the process of simplification as first we should do the work of bar bracket or vinculum, that is horizontal line, then round bracket or a small bracket, then curly bracket, then a square bracket or big bracket. So the order of working with brackets is given as bar bracket, then a small bracket, then curly bracket, then big bracket. Two important points to note here is brackets are also called grouping symbols, which are used to separate various parts of an expression. Point 2 is, in the absence of any sign before a bracket, we take the sign as multiplication. Now let us take some examples to clear our concept. Now take example 1 of your book. The question is, simplify 12 minus big bracket 20 minus curly bracket 8 minus 2, then a small bracket 9 minus 5 minus 2. Solution: we have 12 minus big bracket 20 divided by curly bracket 8 minus 2, inside the small bracket 9 minus 5 minus 2. So first we should do the work of a small bracket here, because there is no vinculum here. So here minus 5 and minus 2 becomes 7. Now you subtract minus 7 from 9 to get 2 and remove a small bracket. In the next step, so we will write 12 minus big bracket 20 divided by curly bracket 8 minus 2 into 2. In the next step, we should write 12 minus big bracket 20 divided by, and here 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So we should write in the curly bracket 8 minus 4. Now in the next step you should write 12 minus big bracket 20 divided by, and in the curly bracket when you subtract 8 minus 4 we will get 4. So in the next step you should write 12 minus, and when we divide 20 by 4 we will get 5. So we will write 12 minus 5, and when we subtract 5 from 12 we will get 7. Now take example number 2 of your book. The question is, simplify big bracket 20 divided by curly bracket 10 minus a small bracket 8 minus vinculum 6 minus 2 or bar bracket 6 minus 2. So first we should do the work of bar bracket, that is 6 minus 2. When we subtract 2 from 6 we will get 4. So we should write, removing bar bracket, we should write 8 minus 4 in the next step, that is you should write which is equal to big bracket 24 divided by curly bracket 10 minus 8 inside the small bracket minus 4, because when you subtract 6 minus 2 you will get 4. So inside the small bracket you should write 8 minus 4. In the next step you should write big bracket 24 divided by curly bracket 10, and when you subtract 4 from 8 inside the small bracket you will get 4 and remove the small bracket. In the next step you should write big bracket 24 divided by, and in the curly bracket we should subtract 4 from 10 to get 6. So in the big bracket you should write 24 divided by 6. In the next step you should write 24 divided by 6 to get 4. Now take question number 2 of exercise 16 of your book. The question is, 23 minus big bracket 6 plus curly bracket 8 minus a small bracket 9 minus 6. So first we should do the work of a small bracket, that is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, and remove the small brackets to get 23 minus big bracket 6 plus, in the curly bracket we should write 8 minus 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. In the next step, we should remove the curly bracket by subtracting 3 from 8 to get 5. So you should write 23 minus big bracket 6 plus 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. In the next step, we should add 6 plus 5 and remove the big bracket to get 23 minus 11. On subtracting 11 from 23, we will get 12. Now your assignment is do exercise 16 of your book 5. Okay, thank you.